Havana, Cuba's vibrant and colourful capital, is a city on the brink of change, welcoming more tourists than ever before. And with relations between the US and Cuba rapidly thawing, its transformation is only speeding up. La Habana, affectionately called by the locals, is busy and chaotic, filled with cycle taxis, crumbling colonial buildings, old-fashioned American cars from the 50s, and tributes to revolutionary heroes of 1959. Visitors to the city can spend their time getting lost among the lively streets of La Habana Vieja, marvelling at its colonial splendour, and visiting iconic sites such as the Havana Club Rum Museum. Further along the Malecon, the picturesque seafront walkway, sits the famous Hotel Nacional, providing over the district of Vedado. Whatever you choose to fill your time within Havana, being it riding Cadillacs, admiring its architecture, or getting to know the friendly locals, you're sure to be impressed.